Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang Jefferson Nickel, ang 5 centavos na mayroong taon na 2014. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol sa barya ito guys ng Amerika. The 2014 Jefferson Nickel, part of the Return to Monticello series, features a restored design of Thomas Jefferson's home and a forward-facing portrait of Jefferson's. 2014 Jefferson Nickel, Return to Monticello. At ito yung kanyang obverse guys. Obverse design, a forward-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson's based on a 1800 Rembrandt Peale painting. Inscription, "In God we trust, liberty," and Jefferson's handwriting and 2014. Mint marks P or for Philadelphia and D for Denver. Return to Monticello 2006 presents Coins of America decoding the 2014 P mint mark nickels and value, design, and collectability. Levi Kiswick. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse design, a restored depiction of Monticello Jefferson's home with enhanced details such as the dome, facets, and balconies. Inscription, United States of America, E Floribus Unum Monticello, and 5 cents. Design initials FS Felix Slug, located to the right of Monticello. United States Mint announces return to Monticello for 2006 nickel. US Mint return to Monticello. May composition siya guys na 75% ang copper at 25% ang kanyang nickel or Caphron nickel. May timbang na 5 grams. May diameter 21.21 mm. Ang kanyang thickness naman ay 1.95 mm. Mayroon siyang edge na plain. At ang mintage naman ito guys sa ating Philadelphia ay umabot ng 635,520,000 kapiraso ang ating Philadelphia. Sobrang dami. At dito naman sa ating Denver or D mint mark, 570,720,000 kapiraso. So sobrang dami din. At dito sa ating San Francisco Mint or S Mint mark, mayroon siyang 1,193,735. So ang ginawa nila guys sa San Francisco ay proof coins only. Circulated coins generally worth face value unless in exceptional condition. At sa uncirculated coins naman ay specimen in grades MS65 and above can command premiums. Proof coins or S mint mark, these are especially struck for collectors and are typically more valuable. Historical context. The return to Monticello design was introduced in 2006, marking the end of westward journey. Nickel series, it features a forward-facing portrait of Jefferson's and restored depiction of Monticello, returning to the classic design used from 1938 to 2003. So yun guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys ng Amerika. So kapag circulated coins ay face value at ang special naman ay ang proof coins. So mataas talaga ang kanyang presyuhan kapag proof coins guys, lalo na kung mga may grado ito guys. So yun guys, kung mayroon kayong mga ganitong uri ng barya guys, mas maganda guys, tingnan nyo mabuti kung mayroon siyang mga error at pwede nating paggraduhan doon sa ating mga coin collectors na mga professional. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.